Yeah, that's all it
Imagine
is.
it's title called Shakers.
So, question: what tribe was she? I've never seen someone look like her.
Most likely
What's that?
what's up?
Oh, okay. I thought coasters was mainly real dark. I thought coasters was real dark.
No.
Oh, they're not.
Not all of them. Not all of them. You mix, it's like the ones that are very dark, maybe the vendor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They have that one. Well, predominantly dark.
Trying to start identifying the features, man, this is so difficult.
Yes, unless you ask, you just have to ask. Only way you have to know is to ask. You have to ask. That's the only way.
Is there something people get offended about?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. That's why a lot of people go around just asking. And then just in a lot of people just ask. That's like the third question in the conversation.
Oh, okay.
Which child fascinates everyone?
No, finally somebody with the DJI. The drone, yeah. So 9,000 is like about $500. Yeah, it's still too expensive for me. And then they go their little action camera. Okay, not bad.
Especially for content. Start making more. It'll be a good way to invest back in your business like that.
Yeah. So that's the goal. I'm gonna eventually get a drone and do drone footage.
Yeah, that'll be cool. That'll be so cool. Yep, the chef.
Okay, it's a nice one.
Pastors. There's so many of it nowadays. Have you seen the irony here?
Starbucks bowl.
Oh, it looks like a cliche for let's go get coffee.
And the fact they come into countries with way better national coffee. Starbucks are coming to a country that has better national coffee than them.
Yeah. The traffic is not as crazy as Joe's places. Joe's places.
Because it seems like there's way more people in Josie than Pretoria.
Way more people. This guy was shopping with the wife, looking around. Go. And I always wonder why guys are like get so desperate with women? Is it because they don't get out? And then they get limited to this idea of whoever is in front of me is the one that I'm supposed to get?
Ooh, shit. I forgot I got ginger ale. I was drinking like orange juice.
Man.
Damn, my bad. I don't know, man. I think most dudes just go to work and go home.
Yeah.
Or if they go to a bar, they go to the same bar too.
And they think that's their life.
And I don't think a lot of people get out in the daytime.
Yeah, a lot of people always want to get out like when it's nighttime.
Because everybody has this false belief everybody's at work in the daytime. All right, guys, give you a better view of the mall here. And this is actually, I've been to this mall before, but I've never walked the whole mall.
Oh, you just came in like for a little bit.
Usually I just come and get what I want, then I leave. I go by the food court. Yeah.
They're open.
This area here gives me a Mall of Africa vibe. Yeah.
Maraling Katara. That's
Polo would be expensive sometimes, right?
I don't know. I think Polo's a drug front, man. Yeah. Every country I've seen them in, you don't see people shopping there.
Right? But you never see them like clothes or anything.
Yeah.
All right.
Cause even like here, like I haven't seen somebody wear a real polo shirt
Yeah.
since I've been here.
You're like, because you gotta see traffic, right?
Yep.
And you find them like exclusive places. Only like an exclusive place.
With no customers.
With no customers. Look like that.
All right, guys, we're at the food court. If I can remember how to say food court. And we're gonna just walk around. I'm gonna probably get something because I know I'm starving. You know what? There's a Mexican. Is this? Damn, is it here? No, I don't think. No, it's a different mall I'm thinking of in Jersey. Yeah, that has a Mexican spot. Yeah. Cause I say one day I'm gonna try Mexican here. So, if any vegan restaurant is watching this, there need to be vegan places in the mall, yo. Vegans go to malls too, so you can open up shop in the mall, guys. What does that mean? Because I see it everywhere. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it everywhere, and I'm like, that shit means something, man, but I don't know. Oh, for real? sometimes I feel like buying at Burger King's a sellout. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I'm selling out sometimes. Like, oh, okay, there's more stuff down here. Yeah, man, it's like I appreciate they exist, but it's like, that's a sellout, yo. Oh, you know what? I think Panorati's got a vegan pizza. Let's see, John Dory's. That sounds like a very white name to be selling sushi. Like, let's see what they got. All right, guys, let's see. Nah, I feel like this is gonna be some gentrified sushi. I'm good. I don't even want to try it. Let me see. I think they have vegan pizza. Hey, how you doing? Quick question first. Do y'all have vegan pizza? Okay, perfect. Now we get a table. Hi guys, this is Panorati's in Menlyn Mall. Let's go by the TV. Like over here somewhere. Yeah, let's go.